The secret to an amazing color starts with a great foundation. For a successful hair color journey, we have to think about the history of the hair. The factors that you may want to consider are things such as the natural texture of the hair, the pattern, and the natural color. Due to all of our hair being raw in nature, it can be color processed to achieve a beautiful color. However, you want to preserve the integrity and longevity of the hair by taking a few precautions that we provide in this video. Is this hair more coarse or silky? Patterns such as curly hair is naturally coarse. There is a rougher cuticle which allows the color to absorb more quickly. However, this does allow the hair to easily become damaged and over-processed more quickly. Alright, so let's talk hair pattern. Curly hair is naturally coarse, has a rougher cuticle, is typically more porous than other textures. This makes the texture easier for the color to absorb more quickly. The hair is more fragile and can experience dryness more frequently. In coarse textures, it's important to moisturize very frequently and continue to do deep conditions to preserve the integrity of the curls and the hair itself. To sum it up, when this hair is over-processed, the hair may become more frizzy, dry, and you'll experience a complete texture change. With straight or wavy hair, it's important to be equally as cautious to avoid over-process. It can process more quickly due to its lower density. If available for that item, you're able to select that prior to checkout. All Yummy Extensions hair collections are free from any colors, perms, or chemical processing, except Blonde Wavy. Additionally offered to eliminate any steps for our customers that include chemically processing your hair. So to make it easier for you to get to that beautiful fall color that you want to pop out, be sure to check out our Blonde Wavy or any texture that offers brown hair. If you're considering a texture such as our Loud Wavy, be sure to add order notes for the lightest brown possible. Now let's talk taking precautions. If you are DIYing your color process, be sure to watch out for those bundles every 5 to 10 minutes to actively monitor their progress to make sure that they're not over bleaching. Ladies, before you slap bleach onto all of your bundles, be sure to do a strand test and make sure that your bundles are processed into the color that you would like. This also allows you to see how high of a volume can your hair go. With this, we do suggest using no higher than a 20 volume developer. Now note, because this is raw hair, each bundle may not process at the same time at the same frequency. Remember to use a professional colorist whenever possible. Semi and demi colors are recommended as they're more gentle on the hair rather than a permanent color. Always deep condition your hair after chemically processing. Here's a hint, use protein and moisture-based products. Alright ladies, we hope this video was helpful in providing you with guidance on how to effectively and safely color your yummy extensions. We can't wait to see y'all pop out in these beautiful colors, and we'll see you on our next video.